Hey family, I am about to cook some dinner tonight. And so what I'm about to make is some kind of turkey something. Y'all know that I like to recreate my meals and stuff like that. So these turkey wings, it's all turkey wings, just the tip parts. I think it's tip and a couple of other flats. But anyway, they was already cooked. We didn't eat all of them. And so I had put them in the deep freezer. They'd been in the deep freezer, I want to say, for about 2-3 months. So I took them out earlier today. And so now I'm just deciding to, recreate them, do something a little different with them, just, do my own little thing. Hold on one second. All right, y'all. So I got the turkey tails in here. Turkey, not turkey tails, turkey wings. I got them in here and I just put some water in them, to loosen them on up and get it going because I know I'm gonna be adding some rice to this. So that's why I got as much water as I got in here, okay? So the wings, they so tender, they pretty much coming off of the bone, y'all. I'm not even finna go through, trying to pick the bones out of it. It's just gonna be too much. So as we eat it, we'll just be pulling the bones out. Okay, so first thing first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna season up this broth, okay? Because that way, when I know I get this broth season, I know everything else gonna, fall right on the line. So I'm gonna just add just a little of the chicken broth to this. I'm gonna add 2 bay leaves to this. I'm gonna add some black pepper. I'm just recreating my own, coming up with my own little something, I'm gonna add a can of diced tomatoes. Just my own little something, y'all. As long as it tastes good in the end, that's all that matters. I'm gonna add some salt. Not much because I added that chicken broth. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt. I'm gonna add some of this oxtail seasoning. I'm adding this because I like the flavors that's in it. Have salt, garlic, onion, basil, pepper, allspice, thyme, ginger, oregano, however you say that, marjoram, all that. So I'm gonna add some of this because I like the flavor that it have. Okay. Got red pepper flakes in it. Okay. I'm gonna add a can of this corn up in there. I might add more than 1 can, just depends. And I don't want this to be soupy like a soup. So I'm adding the corn. Got that. Alright, so now I'm going to add some heyyy to this. Heyyy is my all-purpose seasoning. If you would like to get your hands on some of my heyyy, only thing you have to do is email me at tiana_seasonings@hotmail.com. Okay? Your heyyy will come in 2-ounce packs like this. I have it in the Cajun version and a low sodium version. Okay? So, you definitely will have to add a little salt to it using my low sodium seasoning. Okay, so now I want a little paste sauce. So I'm gonna add some of this tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce. It's still a tomato sauce. Either way it goes, just for spaghetti. But I need that sauce because it's for more color, and I just might end up using a can of this almost reminded me of doing a Brunswick stew or something, y'all. Honey, you never know, honey. Your girl be gonna switch this whole thing up on you. Okay. So let me get at a taste and see what my flavors is at. And I'll let y'all know if I'm gonna just go ahead on and add my rice in here or not. That tastes pretty delicious, though. I think I want to add a can of green beans to that too, y'all. Y'all do what you want to do to your stuff, and I'm going to do what I want to do. But listen, y'all, it's almost just turning out like a soup. Like a soup. And it can easily go on top of a bed of rice. But that's not what I want to do. I want to take my rice and put it in here and just let it all just cook together. That's what I want to do. Okay? Alright, so now I got my white rice. That white rice gonna be so good because it's gonna soak up that tomato and all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna take me some white rice. You could cut you up some bell pepper. You could easily put you some okra in here if you like okra. Okay? Do what you want to do to your stuff, okay? You can make it, leave it as a soup, or do like I'm doing and make it as a turkey something and rice. So I put my rice in there. Let me see how much rice I got. I got to feel around it now. That feel like it's enough. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good, y'all. Okay. So we're going to let that go just like that. Let that rice cook. I got a piece of onion right here. I'm going to just go ahead on and cut this little piece of onion that I got on up in there. I could get some more onion, but I don't feel like cutting onion, y'all. Your girl just don't feel like cutting onion. That's just what it is. Just don't feel like cutting onion. So I'm just going to cut just this little piece I got. Oh, hey, some flavor is better than none at all, right? Okay. Just throw it on in now. Just throw it in the pot. Just throw it in the pot. Hey, just throw it. Just throw it in the pot. Okay, so now I'm going to just let this cook down. And when I come back, I'm going to let y'all see how everything came together. I'm excited to see y'all. I love experimenting, y'all. As long as it tastes good, it don't matter. It does not matter. Just do what you want to do. I think I want another can of corn in there, though. Let me see. That way we have all our veggies and stuff, and I ain't gotta make no side or nothing. You know, we got the corn off up in there. We got the green beans off up in there. We got the tomatoes off up in there. We got the rice off up in there. We got our meat and onions and bay leaf and seasonings and all that stuff, goodness, all off up in there. So hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So it ain't been that long. I just came back because I want to add some butter to that for more flavor. So I'm just going to add just a little butter off up in there so it can, you know, flavor that rice that I put down in there. And these bones, honey, if you don't know with these bones still in here, they ain't gonna do nothing but give off no turkey flavor up in here, honey. Yes, okay. So we're just gonna let that go and do what it do, and then I'll be back when it's done. Okay. All right, y'all. So I'm finished with the I don't know what it is, stewed rice, chicken, not chicken, but turkey and rice. And this how it came out, y'all. Babe, turn it down. So this what I got right here. They're going to bay leaf. I'm going to go ahead and pick that out. And this how it turned out, y'all. So I know this going to be more than enough to last us for about 2 days. And if y'all try this recipe, y'all let me know what you think about it. With your turkey. You know, some turkey that you got. Just try it and see how you like it. I'm going to give it a little taste and see what I think. But it looked delicious, y'all. Let me get a piece of green bean with it. throw a little piece of meat. Hold on. I'm gonna give y'all some too. Throw a little piece of meat on top of it right there. Right there like that. Down, 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 down. There you go. What you think? Hot? Okay, hold on. Ooh, child. Just dropping everything. Okay. There you go. Try and let me know what you think now. It's good. Tastes alright. Season good. Okay. Hold on, let me see. Hot. Oh yeah. Oh yes, honey. That's what's up right there, y'all. That's good. It have flavor all out through there, honey. That's good. So let me plate up some, take pictures, and you know, that's it for this video. I want to thank y'all for watching my video. Peace, love, many, many blessings to each and every one of you guys. Until next time, you already know who it is. It's your girl, Tiana. I can only be me. Y'all have a blessed one. All right, y'all. So this is the meat, the meal. Thank y'all for watching. Now I'm about to eat, baby.